Honeywell space heaters come equipped with multiple built-in safety features designed to protect you and your home. When your heater stops working, these safety mechanisms may have been triggered. The most effective first step is performing a simple reset. Step 1. Unplug your heater completely from the wall outlet. This disconnects all power and begins the reset process. Step 2. Wait exactly 20 minutes. This cooling period allows the internal safety mechanisms to fully reset and the heating elements to return to safe operating temperature. Step 3. After 20 minutes, plug the heater back into the outlet and attempt to turn it on. The reset should restore normal operation. For specific models like the HCE323 and HCE353, pay special attention to the safety motion sensor feature. This simple 20-minute reset resolves most common heater issues by allowing safety systems to return to their normal state. Always ensure proper clearance around your heater for optimal safety and performance. If your Honeywell space heater isn't working after a reset, the first step is checking your power supply. Circuit breakers can trip when space heaters draw high wattage. Never use extension cords or power strips with space heaters. These devices require high wattage that can overload extension cords, creating fire hazards. Always plug directly into wall outlets. Regular maintenance prevents overheating issues. Clean the air filter regularly to ensure proper airflow. Dust buildup can cause the heater to overheat and trigger safety shutoffs. Proper placement is crucial for safe operation. Place your heater on a flat, level surface to engage the tip-over switch. Keep flammable materials at least 3 feet away and never use near water. If problems persist after following these troubleshooting steps, or if you notice damaged wiring or unusual sounds, it's time to consult an HVC professional. Don't attempt repairs on electrical components yourself.